Well, let me just say, firstly, that any contest with the word wacky in it, that's the old Groucho Marx thing. Not sure I want to be a member of it, but whatever. That having been said, off my conscience, let me continue. Winnipeg City Hall passed an ordinance a couple of years ago. You are not allowed to beg for money. If you're a panhandler or a wino, or as my mom called them, a rubby, you're not allowed to beg for money within 100 yards of an ATM, which doesn't seem to make sense, because if the police actually do find them, in order to pay for their fine, they'll just beg for more money. But whatever. What we need to understand here is that any panhandler worth his or her salt realizes that the ATM just spits out 20s, and nobody's going to give him 20s. So unless the panhandler has a float, we're really not getting anything. You know, the ATM's kind of the bane and the boon of society both put together. You go in there, you need money, and there's that transaction fee, and it's like, oh, I have a brilliant way where the banks could make more money, and we, the customer, would be less upset. Hear me out. During daylight hours, okay, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., whatever it is, no charge. Any bank, any flavor, any brand, whatever, no charge. Then, as the evening wears on, you see, then the transaction fee gets higher. By the time it's like 2 in the morning, because we don't care at 2 in the morning. If we're taking out money at 2 in the morning, we don't care how much it costs. The transaction fee should equal how much you're taking out. So you're going, my checking account, take out $60, transaction fee will be $60. Yeah, sounds about right. You take out, and it doesn't matter. Plus the next morning, that's the good way you can tell if you had a good time. Look, I took out $60 at 2 in the morning. When you've had a couple of drinks, you take out too much money, eh? I think we should be able to go to the bank. I think ATMs should have breathalyzers on them, where you'd have to blow in, and if you blow over, it shuts down on you, and you can't take out money. But I think you should be able to set your own blood alcohol limit. Like, I'd like to be able to go into the bank and see the manager, and yes, Mr. Loan may help you. I'd like to set my blood alcohol limit. And what would you like to set it at? I think 0.3. 0.3, that's like almost 4 times the driving limit. Yeah, but I'm not driving. In fact, I'm probably taking out money to take out a cab, so lighten up. Problem is, then we're going to be there at like 3 in the morning. We're going to be banging, blowing this thing, shuts down. We're going to be banging. Then you'll be looking around to bootleg some sober breath. Where is somebody? Where's that bum? Where's that panhandler? Oh, he's 100 yards away. You know, that's the thing. You're going to look at him and say, dude, I'll give you $5 if you blow in this thing. Well, you might want to rephrase that.